Welcome back. I am Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video, I am so excited to share with you guys some DIY, Dollar Tree, and budget-friendly Easter spring decor crafts. So I love to share with y'all how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe you do not have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. Now listen, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page. And without further ado, let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns. Get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafty. For this Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to make it super adorable little bunny wreath, and you're only going to need a few supplies for this. So grab one of this Dollar Tree mini wreaths. You could also grab a larger wreath form, but these are the mini wreaths that come in a 2-pack, and then 2 of the little mop heads that are in the mop and broom section, and you're going to hot glue the little fluffy mop head in and around your wreath. Now you guys could easily use some white fabric as well. I just happen to have these on hand. Be careful when you're doing this because the glue does kind of drip through the wreath form, so you might want to put something underneath your workspace. So what I'm doing is I'm just gluing in and around the little wreath, and you're only going to need 2 for this project. So you need 1 mini wreath form and then 2 of the little Dollar Tree fluffy furry mop thingies. Here's how it looks after that. Then I'm going to take one of the little bunny butt decor pieces. These come in a 6-pack in the Easter section. It just has a little bunny butt and then the little cute feet. And then I'm going to take this pink ribbon. Dollar Tree is carrying really pretty pink ribbon in their Easter section and in their crafting section, and I'm going to make a double loopy bow. So you simply tie your ribbon like you would be tying a shoelace, but you take and you double up the ribbon so it makes it all nice and pretty and fluffy. And then once I had that done, I took another piece of that pretty pink ribbon, and I'm just using that to tie it in and around the bow part. So once I had that done, I thought it looked really cute, but I was thinking it might be even cuter if I put some bunny ears at the top. So if you have some bunny ears, or you can make some felt bunny ears, simply add some bunny ears to the top of your little bunny wreath. You could also, if you don't have the little bunny butt decor piece that I added at the bottom, you guys could easily make that also out of some white and pink felt. So really get creative. I think this is a super fun project that you could do with your kiddos or grandkids, and I like it because it's small, so it could easily fit in a little bathroom or just any little space that you need a fun Easter decor piece. So let me know what you guys think about this craft, and happy crafting. For this Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to do a super adorable, easy Dollar Tree Easter egg topiary. So grab a piece of poster board, and you're going to simply roll it into kind of like a little spiral burrito, cut that out, and then add some hot glue and pop it into one of these little Dollar Tree bases. They make them in all different kind of colors. And then what I'm going to do is take some of these super cute Easter eggs, and they come 6 to a pack, and I'm kind of trying to alternate them. And then I realized I didn't quite have enough of the fancy Easter eggs, so I'm going in with just some of the plastic eggs that come in a little bit more. And so I did end up using about 3 packs of the fancy ones, and then I would have 2 packs of the regular Easter eggs on hand. And I'm kind of staggering them, where the fancy eggs and then the cheap kind of plastic eggs, and then the more fancy eggs and then the cheap plastic eggs. This takes a lot of gluing, so you guys also might want to have that hot glue gun revved up and ready to roll, and have plenty of glue sticks on hand. You also want to kind of hold the eggs as you go along, and that way they don't slide down your little topiary. I'm just going to continue to glue, and of course this is sped up because this did take about 30 to 45 minutes to kind of hold and glue and hold and glue, even though you guys are just watching me and it seems like it only takes a couple of minutes. Now the next step you're going to think about is, what do you want to fill in your little egg topiary with? Well, Dollar Tree has moss, so you could easily grab one of their little bags of moss. You might even want to grab 2 bags, depending upon how full you want it to look. This is going to get messy, so have something underneath your workspace. I'm in my little crafting studio, which is actually in my garage. So the best part about this is I can really make a big mess and then just grab a vacuum and clean it up. For years, when I first started YouTube, though, you guys probably noticed that I was crafting inside my home until I turned my garage into my crafting studio. And I had to be even more strategic about my crafting because I like to try to clean everything up before my family got home, so it didn't seem like a craft explosion in my house every single day. But anyway, I'm just going to hot glue a little piece of the moss and then push that in to the egg topiary. Now, I wish I would have had 2 bags of moss because I had to use all the moss that I had on hand, which meant I kind of had to lean the egg topiary over to push some of the moss in and hot glue down into it. So you could do it either way. You can put the glue on the chunks of moss, or you can turn your topiary over and hot glue down into it, but it does make a little bit more of a mess. So here is the finished product. I absolutely love it. I feel like it's something you could buy at Home Goods for about $25, and we did it for about 10 bucks and some change. For this Dollar Tree DIY, let's make a super easy, inexpensive Dollar Tree Easter, or this could be a faith-based type of wreath. So I'm going to take a Dollar Tree wreath form, and I simply used 1 roll of their wired burlap ribbon, wrapped it around the entire wreath form, and then I added this cute little Easter sign. It came on a 3-pack, and you can easily detach them. The next thing I want to do for this wreath is make a pretty bow. So I'm using this Dollar Tree Easter ribbon, and I'm going to simply loop it over on itself 6 times, and that is going to use up pretty much your entire roll of ribbon. The length of my ribbon is about 12 inches, 12 to 13, 14 inches. And you can also easily measure it from your hand to your elbow to get a pretty good size for this size wreath form. I believe the standard wreath form that I'm using is about 14 inches, and I definitely recommend you guys getting these at Dollar Tree because I've looked at them at Michael's and Hobby Lobby, and they're about $6 to $10, so you're going to get a lot more bang for your buck, especially if you're a wreath maker. Now, I wanted to make this wreath really simple because some of the last couple of Easter wreaths that I've posted have been a little bit more complicated and a lot more of a supply list. So I thought I wanted to do something for you guys for Easter that would be a little bit less expensive. So far we have the wreath form, a roll of ribbon around the wreath, and you guys could also just cut scraps of fabric, and then this pretty little bow. I did have some scrap pink Dollar Tree ribbon left over, so I added that into the center of my bow. The next thing I want to do is take my scissors and simply dovetail the ends of my ribbon, and then I want to fluffy duffy out that ribbon. The next thing I did was add a little piece of greenery and this pretty little Dollar Tree wooden cross. I thought about staining the cross, but I kind of like it left with just the wooden. I'm also adding this pretty bling jewel. This is from totallydazzled.com. Thank you, Natalie, for sending me some Easter jewels. I love these faith-based jewels. I think it turned out so beautiful. And then I'm going to simply just add in some pretty leaves and some little pink ribbon. I added a little faux rose to the top, and bam, we have a fabulous, beautiful Easter wreath on a total budget. And you guys can very easily change the colors, the style around to match your decor. This is simply an inspiration idea for you guys, and I hope you love this. I have had so many requests for more faith-based Easter crafts. You guys could easily leave the Easter sign off and create this for a graveside or something like that. I've had people ask me if you can do that, and you can use a spray called Never Wet, and that will help keep your wreath looking a little bit better. So I hope this inspires you guys, and happy crafting! For For this Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to make a super adorable little Easter welcome wreath, or welcome sign. So this is just a welcome sign from the Crafters Square section, and I'm going to turn it into kind of an Easter sign. So from the Dollar Tree, they have these 3-pack of hanging signs. I love grabbing these because you can get so many projects out of them. I always tell you guys to grab those. I added the bunny one to the top. I have been doing several faith-based crafts, so this bunny was the one that was left over. I'm going to add in some little purple gingham bunnies. I love these little bunnies. Dollar Tree put them out. I think this is the first time I've ever seen them have them out, and I just think they're so adorable. Then I'm putting some little scraps of greenery to the top of my little welcome sign, and I think this is just going to be so super cute. And then I thought, well, I think it would be cute, since I have the purple bunnies at the base, to go ahead and take some of this cute little plaid Dollar Tree ribbon, tie a bow, and then hot glue that to the top of my sign. And think about this, you guys could really get creative with this. So just grabbing the welcome sign, you guys could easily make a St. Patty's Day wreath. You could use different colors. You could make a giant bow at the top. You know, there's so many different little things that you could do to customize this. And if you have a craft shop, these would be fun and easy to make and very inexpensive. These would also be a great gift to make for your neighbor or maybe your grandma. If you have a friend in assisted living, or just any little space that needs that extra pop of holiday goodness. I am a holiday enthusiast, so I really feel like it's so fun to not only make crafts for my home, because a lot of you all ask me, what do you do with your crafts? Well, I'll tell you, I love to decorate my home, and I do home tours on my YouTube channel, and I post them on my Facebook, sharing with you guys all of my fun little crafty decor. I like to even decorate up the rooms for seasonal decor. And I don't know if you guys want to see an Easter home tour. I don't know how over the top I'm going to go for Easter, but let me know in the comment section below. Here's how that super adorable little welcome sign turned out. I hope you guys are loving it and are inspired to create something for your home or a special loved one, or maybe you're just enjoying watching me craft. For this Dollar Tree DIY, I wanted to share with you guys that I found some of the new Dollar Tree prayer cards, and I love these. I share them on my Instagram and Facebook story every morning with you guys when I'm making a cup of coffee. So I chose one that I wanted to go ahead and frame. I'm going to add this into this pretty little frame. My daughter had actually put it in the thrift store donation pile. I snapped it out of there, and I was like, I know that I can do something fun and crafty with this. So here is how it looks so far. And then the next thing I want to do is take one of these Dollar Tree crosses. I'm going to outline it and then cut out the cross and then hot glue the pretty pink paper to the front of the cross. You guys could do so many different things with the cross, but I happen to have this paper on hand, and I thought it was going to be so pretty. And I actually have, I'm going to make this for my sister and her little new apartment. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this on to the front of the pretty cross. You guys could also Mod Podge this, and then I'm going to hot glue that to the front of my little sign. So this is super easy to do. You just want to kind of tilt the cross off to the side so you can still see your prayer card. And the best thing too about just putting your prayer card into the little frame is you can easily change it out for a new one. The next thing I want to do is add some pretty ribbon to the front of my cross, and then add a beautiful bling jewel. And thank you, Natalie from totallydazzled.com, for the most beautiful Easter jewels. You guys are going to have to go check out her site. I'm going to leave a link in the description box, but it's totallydazzled.com. You guys know I love faith-based stuff, and I've been having so many requests for more faith-based ideas. So I hope you guys have been loving this season. I've really been trying to share so many different ideas with faith-based crosses and wreaths and decor, as well as some Easter decor with pretty bunnies and spring ideas plopped in. Now to share with you guys my fun puppy dog, Bji Bear. You know what a little ornery guy he is, but he's also a sweet guy as well. And he was on a world tour this weekend. We went and saw my sweet friend over in another state who has a golden doodle, Norman. Hi, Normie, if you're watching this. And this is Bji Bear's little green ball. He also got to go visit baby Theo and baby Arch, which is my son's dog. And then on Sunday, we went to my mom's house and we got to see her little puppy dog. So many fun big times. Bji Bear was actually pretty tuckered out today. Normally he likes to bark and fuss about while I'm crafting, but today he really just pretty much napped all day. Now, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you'll know this is his little green ball. He loves his little green ball. He very rarely drops it for me, so he just really loves for me to kind of like try to tug it out of his mouth. The next thing I have to share with you guys is the super adorable little scarf he put on. We did end up taking a walk tonight, and then some of you guys asked about my cat Tinky. There she is. She's an inside-outside cat. She's gotten older. She's about 6 or 7 now, and she loves to sleep all day. And we love you guys. So thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafting and decorating adventure. It's a true blessing and honor to have you all here. Listen, this is my 6th season on YouTube. It's unbelievable, and I'm so thankful and blessed to have you all here. If you guys need more crafting and decorating inspiration, go back and check out the playlist that I have created for you. I have Dollar Tree, Easter, Spring, Fall, Winter, Christmas, whatever you guys love to craft and decorate for on a budget. I definitely have shared with you guys on my YouTube channel. And then on Facebook, I have Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page, and I share daily crafting inspiration with you guys there as well. So thank you again for being here, for all of your kind comments. You guys truly mean the world. This is truly a community of folks that just love to get together, craft, decorate, and share all of that good fun stuff. And I love to encourage you guys even too on your journey or walk in life. I feel like we're all going through something at some point in time. So remember to always be kind online and share goodness. Sometimes I'll even go through my social media page and I'll like and heart at least 10 people's posts. I'll comment and encourage them. So remember, your comments and encouragement, wow, can really make the difference in something somebody's going through. And if you see something you don't like, scroll past it, keep moving, and try not to put negativity out there in this world. So that's just my little piece of goodness for you guys. I want to encourage you guys, if God has given you a new day, which is every day we wake up and our eyes are open, that is a new day. It's a new day for hope, forgiveness, love, and joy. And that's what we're here for. So I love y'all to the moon and back. Until our next video, remember, be kind to yourselves, be kind to one another, and we'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.